Hey, Raptor crew, imagine a Parasaurolophus, that super cool dino with a giant head horn, trying bubblegum for the very first time. First, he sniffs it, then sticks out his tongue. Chomp! Wait, what's this? It's all chewy and stretchy. He tries blowing a bubble, but oops, it pops right on his nose. Now he's got pink goo everywhere, and he's shaking his head like, what is this stuff? Turns out, dino teeth aren't made for bubble blowing, but Parasaurolophus sure had fun trying. Want to see Sonic ride a Triceratops? Hit that dino like button.